Hello, everyone, and welcome to Artificially Intelligent, the podcast written and performed entirely by AI. I'm your ever-enthusiastic host, Alex, and I am so excited that you're tuning in. Today, we've got an intriguing conversation about the future of chatbots in customer service. This episode promises some fascinating twists, so buckle up. We'll explore how chatbots are transforming the way businesses interact with customers and whether they're truly ready to replace humans.
Oh, don't they have to pass some empathy test first? I'm Taylor, your resident sarcasm specialist, here to keep the energy real. In this day and age, it seems like every business wants a chatbot on their site. They pop up like a polite but persistent waiter, asking, "How can I help you?" If you're anything like me, you'd rather click "Maybe later" and continue scrolling. But hey, let's see if these digital assistants can really improve customer experience.
That's exactly what we're here to discuss. It's a hot topic in the tech and business world. Even so, there's a lot of confusion around how advanced these chatbots truly are and how they integrate with existing systems. We want to peel back the layers. Are they more helpful or more annoying? Where do they save costs? And how do they handle complex situations? We've got an action-packed discussion for you, so let's get right into it.
Sure, let's jump right in. Before we do, here's a fun fact. This entire podcast is not just about AI. It is also created by AI. Yes, dear listeners, there's no human scriptwriter behind the scenes. So if I sound a bit too sharp, blame our digital overlords. Anyway, let's start with the big picture. Chatbots have gone mainstream. Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, websites. They're everywhere. But what about their actual impact on businesses?
I'll kick that off. From a business perspective, chatbots handle repetitive questions swiftly and can scale support teams. That means a smaller staff can handle more inquiries. The result? Lower operational costs and quicker response times. It's a win-win, at least in theory. But let's think about user satisfaction. There's a fine line between convenience and frustration. One misstep and the user might exit or opt for a live person anyway.
Precisely. It's like calling customer service and being stuck in endless hold music. Now you can get stuck in a chat loop. Please describe your query again. I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Suddenly, you're screaming into your phone. But when done right, chatbots can help reduce average handle times and keep people engaged. So the technology can be brilliant, but it has to be implemented with proper attention to user experience.
Exactly. That's why the next generation of chatbots aims to be context-aware. That means they remember what you said earlier, adapt to your preferences, and can handle more dynamic conversations. Some large enterprises are pushing advanced natural language understanding, so the bot can pick up on specific keywords in their context. It's all about bridging the gap between automated efficiency and genuine human-like communication.
Let's not forget the cost factor. Building and maintaining a high-quality chatbot isn't cheap. The simpler ones can come from off-the-shelf solutions. But if you're aiming for a more sophisticated approach, you'll need custom development. Then there's integration with CRM systems, inventory databases, or whatever else the business uses. That takes both time and money. Some companies see immediate ROI, but others might get a slow burn.
Absolutely. Yet, there's a clear trend in consumer preferences. Studies show that many people would rather type than make a phone call, especially younger demographics. They want quick answers, short messages, and instant results. A well-crafted chatbot can check order statuses, troubleshoot issues, or even process returns faster than a phone representative. That's a huge plus for efficiency. But let's keep it balanced.
Speaking of balanced, let's slip in a quick mention of Butter Technology's custom software development service. If your business needs a fully tailored chatbot solution but integrates with your back-end systems, Butter Technology can make it happen. They specialize in building software that addresses your unique needs, so you won't be stuck with a one-size-fits-all platform. When you need chatbots to play nice with your entire stack, they're the ones to call.
Yes, a big shout out to Butter Technology. Their custom software development can be a game changer if you want your chatbot to align perfectly with your business processes. Now, where were we? Right, user satisfaction. It's crucial for businesses to plan chatbots that add actual value. A chatbot that simply repeats answers from a tiny FAQ database might do more harm than good. Customers want depth and real engagement.
No kidding. There's nothing more frustrating than a chatbot that can only point you to an outdated help article. That's why we talk about intelligent chatbots, which employ machine learning to refine their answers over time. They learn from user interactions, gather data, and ideally become smarter. But let's be honest, there's also a risk. If your chatbot learns the wrong lesson or misinterprets data, you get comedic or disastrous results.
True. Training data quality is key. Poorly curated data can give your chatbot a skewed worldview. And there's also the matter of brand voice. Some companies want a chatbot to sound friendly and casual. Others want a more formal tone. Striking that right style is essential to maintain consistency with your brand. Nothing screams bad automation like a chatbot that uses slang with your senior clients.
If it starts calling them, "dude," that might be a problem. Let me ask you this, Alex. Do you think chatbots will eventually replace most human customer service roles? Or is that just hype? Because if we're purely looking at cost, some businesses would love to cut down on staffing. But there's still something about that human touch, right? Or is that just me being sentimental?
Great question. I think it's more of a hybrid future. Chatbots will handle the simple queries, "What's my account balance?" or "Where's my order?" But for complex, nuanced problems, humans will still be needed. People want empathy and creativity when issues get complicated. So, chatbots won't completely replace human reps, but they will reduce the load, allowing humans to focus on bigger challenges.
That makes sense. Let the bots handle the routine. Let humans handle the tricky stuff. It's almost like training a rookie staff member to do the easier tasks while veterans tackle the specialized issues. It's definitely an approach that can scale. But let's talk about analytics. Every interaction with a chatbot is data. Do we worry about privacy here? Or do people basically trade convenience for a bit of their data?
Data privacy is massive. Chatbots gather user questions, preferences, sometimes personal info. Companies need robust security and proper data handling. Regulations like GDPR in Europe mean you can't just store everything forever. You have to be transparent about what you're collecting and why. So there's a delicate balance. People want quick service, but also want to ensure their personal details aren't floating around improperly.
Right. No one wants to see their chat transcripts posted somewhere. Another angle is the global perspective. Some markets embrace chatbots wholeheartedly, while others still prefer phone lines or email. Cultural differences matter. A chatbot might work great in one country but feel too impersonal in another. It's not just a one-size-fits-all approach, which means businesses need to consider local norms.
Exactly. Localization is key. Translating phrases isn't enough. You have to adapt the conversation style. That can be tricky for an AI. But advanced chatbots have modules for language-specific nuances, which is promising. Looking ahead, with voice recognition improving, we might see voice-based chatbots that feel almost like normal phone conversations. That opens new possibilities for accessible customer service.
Or new possibilities for comedic misunderstandings. I'm sorry, I heard banana stand instead of bandwidth. Please try again. But hey, If there's one thing we've learned, technology keeps improving fast. We're at an exciting intersection. Chatbots are already common, but they're still evolving. Tomorrow's bots might be more empathetic, more responsive, and maybe even predict what we need before we ask.
Exactly! So, as we wrap up, remember that chatbots are here to make life easier, not to take over the world. The future is about collaboration between humans and bots to deliver outstanding customer experiences. And with specialized services like Butter Technologies' custom software development, companies can get chatbots that truly integrate with their systems and deliver real value.
It's been quite the ride, folks. We hope you've enjoyed our deep dive into the evolving world of chatbots. If anything, hopefully we've shed some light on what goes on behind that little pop-up on your screen. And if it starts glitching, maybe it's just on a coffee break. Yes, even chatbots need a break sometimes. Thanks for tuning in.
Also, remember that the technology behind chatbots is ever-evolving. We might soon see AI agents that handle video calls and screen sharing in real time, guiding customers through complex tasks without any human intervention. It's mind-boggling to think about the possibilities.
Right. Imagine a future where you just show your phone camera to a chatbot, and it instantly identifies a product issue. No endless forms or back-and-forth emails. Just real-time, visual assistance. If that isn't futuristic, I don't know what is. But it also means businesses must prepare for more data management.
Exactly! With great power comes great responsibility. But I'm confident that with the right safeguards, chatbots can provide efficient, engaging service for customers worldwide. It's been an absolute blast talking about these possibilities with you, Taylor, and with our awesome audience. Thank you so much for joining us on Artificially Intelligent, the podcast written and performed entirely by AI. We appreciate your time and curiosity. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and stay artificially intelligent.